Hi, this is Tom from Meross. If you're someone who frequently worries about leaving your lights on in the living room before heading to bed, then Meross Smart Wall Switches may have a solution for you. With Meross Smart Wall Switches, you can ensure that all lights are turned off when needed and automatically turned on in the morning. By using the mobile app, you can remotely control the smart wall switch and even check if the lights in each room are turned off before going to bed. You also have the option to set a timer to automatically turn on the lights in the morning, saving you the trouble of having to turn them on manually. In addition to providing convenience and peace of mind, smart switches allow you to control your lights and appliances from anywhere using your smartphone or smart home device. You can also set schedules for automatic on-off, integrate with other smart home devices for automation, control multiple devices with one app or voice command, create scenes and routines, and control lights with voice commands using virtual assistant like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Overall, smart switches are an excellent solution for anyone looking to simplify their life and take control of their home's lighting and appliances from anywhere. Today, we are introducing Meross Smart Wi-Fi Single Pole Switch, MSS510 US version. Today, we are unboxing this product and showing you how to install it. Okay, let's see what we have in the box. Ooh, here it is, our smart switch. And we also have our user manuals, screws, cable labels, and a faceplate. This device is a single pole switch. It is not intended for use in three-way installations where lights are controlled by more than one switch. If you need those, you can choose other models of Meross. Before we start, you need to ensure the area is covered by strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. You can put your phone near your switch and check the signal. Please note that the pairing process will fail if the internet does not meet the requirements. If you are not confident about installing the device, it's always best to seek help from a licensed electrician, and you can skip this step. During the installation process, you may need these tools: a screwdriver, pliers, wire strippers, and a voltage tester. First, and the most important step, turn off the power at your circuit breaker. Double check by flipping your light switches on and off a few times. If the lights turn on, hold off until you are ready. Next, we will need to remove the faceplate of your old switch. Then, double check the power by using a voltage tester. Make sure they are inactive. Find the right wires and label them. Usually, the L-in wire would be black or red insulated wire. The L-out would be brown or black insulated wire. The ground wire would be green insulated or bare wire. And the neutral wire would be white. Our wire colors follow IEC codes. Your house may use a different color, but the functions shall be the same. Use a screwdriver to loosen and unhook the wires. Use the pliers to straighten the wires. If necessary, clip off the ends and strip the wires about 1/4 inch. Use the provided wire nuts to connect the 4 wires to the corresponding wires of the switch and wiggle them to ensure they are secure. Don't insert ground or neutral wire into L-in or L-out holes, as it may burn the wall switch. Carefully push the wires and the switch into the electrical box. Screw the switch to the box and attach the faceplate. Then turn on the power at the circuit breaker that controls the switch. Turn on the switch to check if the bulb can be turned on and off accordingly. Okay, we have successfully installed it. For the HomeKit version, we suggest to use the Meross app to pair the device, so that the device could be added to Meross app and Home app at the same time. Of course, you can use Home app directly if you don't want to. Click plus. Choose MSS510. HomeKit version. Enter the code. Pair. If you are using the non-HomeKit version, you need to use Meross app. Use Wi-Fi to connect with the product. Name it. Connect to your Wi-Fi. All done. Now we have successfully changed the switch to a smart switch. Let's give it a try. Hey Siri, turn the light on. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.